Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to show you how to create one legend for multiple charts in Power BI. So towards the end of the tutorial, so we have multiple visuals and so we create a legend like this, which is common for the multiple visuals. So this is what we are going to achieve or trying at today. For the demonstration purposes, this is my small table, so which has country, target, sales, total sales, allocated, sales resources. So the first step is to create some visuals. So I add a few visuals to my pane. I add three visuals, more like the same, and then for that I add country and here sum of sales. Here I add country and targets, and here I add country and allocated resources. So this is how the three visuals looks like. And as you can see, all these visuals as a legend. By creating a common legend, I want to get rid of these three and have a common legend for all the charts. So that is what we are going to achieve today. So step one is select one visual, go to format visual, and in the slicer select a series. I said UK and I set a color that is bit preferred to me. So I copy this one and I keep it a note. So then for UK this is the color, right? And then for let's say USA, so I can change the color as well. I change the color a bit of a green type of color, and then I copy that value USA. And for India also, I think color seems to be okay, but let's change it to something else, maybe a little pinkish color, right? So for that also I change the color and copy that. So I need to copy these three colors first. Now it's copied, and then select here format, and then I set the same colors to all the visuals. So now the trick is, so in here the table I create a new column called color code, and I keep a blank column. Right, so my color code column has created. Now I create a small table, and then I dragged country and color code into that. So this is how it looks like my table. So I'm going to convert this table into a legend. Now select the table, color code, and then I go to conditional formatting, background color. And here I set some rule. If the value, so here I set country, value is UK, then I want the color this one. And then new rule, if the value is India, right? So then I want the color this one. And then another rule, if the value is USA, then my color code should be right. So I set it to OK. Right now, as you can see, my legend is created and I put it here. So now what I do is I go here and I remove the legend. Here also I remove the legend. Here also I remove the legend because we have the legend here. If you select it, the correctly value will be selected. And then I can do some modification to the legend. Select here, go to general specific column. I set color code here apply to header, and I set the text color to white. So then, as you can see, text color value will be not there. And then also I can change here, go here, and totals also I set it to null. So now the legend seems to be nice. And then this is how you can create a simple legend, single legend to multiple visuals. Thanks for watching, and keep in touch for more Power BI videos.